Ever wondered how to incorporate flax seeds into your diet? These tiny powerhouses are a nutritional goldmine, boasting a rich profile of dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Stay tuned as we delve into some simple ways to enjoy flax seeds. You might be surprised at how easy it is to include flax seeds in your daily meals. Let's dive into some delectable ways to enjoy these nutritional powerhouses. Start your day with a smoothie boost. Toss a tablespoon of flax seeds into your blender, along with your favorite fruits and veggies. You'll hardly notice they're there, but your body will thank you for the added fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Looking for a crunchy salad topping? Sprinkle a handful of flax seeds over your greens for an extra punch of protein and a satisfying crunch. Yogurt too plain for your liking? Mix in some flax seeds for a texture twist and a nutrient boost. Got a baking day planned? Add flax seeds to your muffins or bread dough. They'll give your baked goods a subtle nutty flavor and a nutritional upgrade. And don't forget, ground flax seeds make a fantastic thickener for soups and stews, adding depth of flavor and body to your comfort food. As you can see, the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating flax seeds into your diet. But why should you go through the trouble of adding flax seeds to your food? Let's break down their health benefits. Firstly, flax seeds are a powerhouse for promoting digestive health. They are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in regular bowel movements and helps maintain a healthy gut. Secondly, they work wonders in reducing inflammation thanks to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. And let's not forget their role in supporting heart health. The lignans present in flax seeds could lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, providing a boost to your cardiovascular system. However, moderation is key. Due to their high fiber content, overconsumption may lead to digestive discomfort. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is a simple step towards a healthier lifestyle. Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself.